The company is reportedly focusing on robotics after scrapping its EV ambitions.
Apple is still on the hunt for the next revolutionary product to help it remain dominant in the market,
and to serve as new sources of revenue after abandoning its plans to develop an electric vehicle of its own. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, one of the areas the company is exploring is personal robotics. It reportedly started looking into robots and electric vehicles at the same time,
with the hopes of developing a machine that doesn't need human intervention.
While Apple's robotics projects are still in the very early stages, Bloomberg said it had already started working on a mobile robot that can follow users around their home, and had already developed a tabletop device that uses a robot to move a screen around.
The idea behind the latter is to have a machine that can mimic head movements and can lock on to a single person in a group, presumably for a better video call experience. Since these robots are supposed to be able to move on their own, the company is also looking into the use of algorithms for navigation. Based on the report, Apple's Home Devices Group is in charge of their development, and at least one engineer who worked on its scrapped EV initiative has joined the team. Robots, however, aren't like phones in the sense that people these days need them in their lives. Apple is apparently worried about whether people would pay top dollar for the robots it has in mind.
And executives still can't get to an agreement on whether the company should keep working on these projects.
Gurman previously reported that Apple may have sold its EV for $100,000. If that's true, it had a bigger potential to grow the company's revenue. But the Apple car is now out of the picture, and the company is reportedly putting all of its focus on the Vision Pro and new products for the home, which also includes a home hub device with a display that resembles an iPad. Of course, Apple could still scrap these projects, and it could find other classes of products to invest in if it discovers that they could bring in bigger money in the future.